Hello guys, so this is how to open multiple charts on Tradingview. So I'm going to show you two ways, both on your browser, either Chrome or any browser you are using, or I'm going to show you on Tradingview main app. So let me show you through the Chrome first. So it's actually easy, right? So what you're going to do is just, first of all, enter the go to your Tradingview chart. So whether it is BTC or XAUSD. So assuming this is the first one, so you want to view the second one, what you need to do is just click on the plus, like you are entering another tab. After I click on it, go back to your trading view. After I go back to your trading view, then go to your, can click on the top right corner to go to your products, then go to your super chart. After you go to your super chart, then click on any chart you want to see, assuming BTC USD. So what it's going to do is just go to the top where the tab is, then just click on it and drag it. It's easy as that. Then click on window plus right side icon, window plus right side icon, and then the second one also will come up automatically. If it didn't come, you can press window plus left side icon. So just click on it, and that is it. You can see, you can simply just view your XAUSD and BTC So that's it for browser. For the main app, the Tradingview app, is also the same. What you're going to do is just click on the plus icon at the top left. After you click on it, then you are going to, instead of it, you don't create another new layer. So just click on this same chat that you were in before. Mine is named as unnamed, yours might be different. Just click on it again. After I click on it, also the same, just click and drag it. Also the same, just click and drag it. After you click and drag, you see they will separate each other. Then what you need to do is just window plus left side icon, and this one also will come up automatically. If it didn't come, you can just simply press window plus left side icon. As you can see, you can able to view both the XAUSD and GBPUSD at the same time. You can monitor them. So that is actually easy. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.